Hello, I'm LuAnn Kilday, Education Coordinator at the New Mexico Farm and Ranch Heritage Museum. And I'm going to go ahead and remove my mask so you guys can hear me. I'm here in my house by myself, and today's demonstration is going to be how to use a blending board. Okay, so you're going to need a blending board like this, and it basically has carding cloth. It has teeth, just like a carder would, and it's what's used to hold your fiber when you're blending. You're going to also need fibers. The neat thing about a blending board is you can use alpaca, you can use wool, cotton, any variety of fibers that you want, different colors, and you can also throw some locks in there to blend. And so what we're making today is actually a pulled rolag. This is what we're going to be making. So you take your roving and you just take some and catch it on the blending board, and you're going to fill the blending board up with fiber. And you can switch colors. You can add locks to it. And after you get a little layer, you take a brush and you brush it down, just like you would a painting. So you're creating art. Let me go ahead and add some more to it. Okay, I've added more fiber. I'm going to brush this into the teeth of the blending board. Then I'm going to take 2 sticks, and I've sanded these down so they're nice and smooth. I'm going to put 1 stick under my fiber and the other stick over it. And I'm going to hold those fairly tight together. And then I'm just going to roll the fiber onto these sticks and gently pulling my fiber. Okay. You can see how that fiber is pulling. All right. So I'm going to go ahead and pull this off. And then to get this off, we need to separate the sticks. And this is always the hardest part for me. Then you pull that stick out, and then you pull the other one. And when you're done, you have your rolag. And then this is to be spun, and you'll have your yarn that looks like that. I hope you enjoyed my demonstration today. Everyone be safe, be healthy, and we'll see you all next time. Bye-bye.